Welcome to a new sequence type, the set. Sets are primarily used to store multiple unique items in a single variable. In this lecture, we'll learn how to create and modify sets and understand their key characteristics. 1. Creating a set. Sets are created using curly braces, much like dictionaries, but they only contain values, not key-value pairs. Crucially, sets automatically discard any duplicate values. An important note: to create an empty set, you must use the set function, as empty curly braces create an empty dictionary. 2. Adding elements to a set. Since sets are mutable, you can add new items using the add method for a single item, or the update method to add multiple items from another iterable, like a list or tuple. Three. Removing elements from a set. You can remove elements using the remove method or the discard method. The difference is critical. Remove will raise an error if the item is not found, while discard will not. To summarize, sets are defined by curly braces, enforce uniqueness, and lack order. Use add or update to add items, and choose between remove or discard for removal based on whether you want to handle potential errors. In our next lecture, 04.15, Frozen Set, we will look at an immutable version of the set, useful when you need a fixed collection of unique items. See you there.